Wow, it is hot. This tuk-tuk is fast, but the heat in Bangkok is faster. Southeast Asia has beautiful sun and heavy rain. But do you know how to talk about them? The weather here changes quickly. 1 minute you are dry, the next you are wet. To travel in India, Thailand, or Vietnam, you need the right words. Today, we are learning the essential English vocabulary for tropical weather. We will fix a common mistake that can make you embarrassed, and we will practice reading a forecast. Here are the essential phrases you need. Let's start with the basics. Look at the sky. Repeat after me. Sunny. When the sun is strong, we say it is sunny. Say it. It is sunny. Now the feeling. In Singapore or Jakarta, it is not just warm. It is hot. Say hot. It is hot. But there is a special word for when the air feels wet and heavy. This is very common in Mumbai and Manila. Humid. Repeat after me. Humid. Say, it is very humid. Perfect. And then the monsoon comes. Rainy. Say it. Rainy. Now, I need you to listen carefully. There is one big mistake many students make. To describe the weather, we always start with is or it's. Never say I am hot when talking about the weather. I am hot can mean you are attractive. You don't want to say that to a taxi driver. Always say, it is hot. Let's practice the correct way. Repeat after me. It is hot. It is humid. It is rainy. You got it. Always use it is. Now let's look at your phone. You need to plan your trip. Look at Bangkok. It says 34 degrees. In English conversation, we usually just say the number. Repeat after me. It is 34 degrees. Now look at Jakarta. Do you see the lightning? That means a storm. Say this. There is a storm coming. Or simpler, it is stormy. Finally, Vietnam. It is not sunny, but it is not raining. The sky is white or gray. Cloudy, say it. Cloudy. It is cloudy today. Now, let's practice a real conversation. Imagine you are meeting a friend in Kuala Lumpur. I will ask you a question. You answer using the words on the screen. Question 1. How is the weather today? Say the answer. Did you say it is sunny and hot? Great. Question 2. Imagine we want to go to the beach. Is it sunny now? Answer with no. Correct. No, it is rainy. Last one. Why are you sweating? Tell me about the humidity. It is very humid. Excellent work. Weather in Asia is intense, but now you're ready. Remember, sunny, hot, humid, rainy, and always use it is. Use these, and you'll never get lost in the rain. Subscribe for more travel English. See you in the next video.